enguto y'abatura bakazoha bakozere negite cyaro cya Kazoha ne cya Rubira byone biri kushanga muri Nyarushanje mu district ya Rukunjiri kandi bayambirweho Dorine Businge wa Rutare. Abatura kucera munonga bakazi bagambire mbere barukurabamo na munonge rukubi
twire turarabana muraribana ka Burungi bwansa kutwabe tukozireka katakiriho ngeno bumwe mukaza kikwatwenda tinaho kumurajya ka pikiti kararabamu ngeno mukazi kuba kumuheka mu ngozi hamutwe rero mukazi bakiza kumusya mu ibariro ushanga mukazi wena yabire kubi
imihande egiye yarateganyiza abana babaraza kwega batinaho kuraba imihande mikureka ikatenguka enjure kagitengura
amizi gita guturatahamu nago tigaboniye ati nketanke ati kiretu buri go buyambi.
Abatura bo nubongera bagira ngo nubabahabwo kuhinga konke bihingwa byabo tubyine Katare abwe imihanda kufa.
Imihanda yitu yakabuge kafa habwa bebembezi babi abo turahereza karuru bakaburi rope
ngene nimbasima munonga abo kwatanisa nkaseru kwatanisa nk'abantu bakabuga ukutandika kwekozesa plani abwentunguka yakabuga abwo mu rukagwanyu umuntu bakabuga
Omakura gandi abahinji kurwo mu Ruburenge rw'izoba bashabire kurwo mu ngore yo kwinjira enda yonka aho kuyaho bongera amani yo mukweje mbere mu kwinjira entasia okwaburogo kwiriyo Thagavel Paranivel orukora nka Senior Economic Advisor and Head of Strategy and Policy ahabwa United Nations Development Program Uganda.
Strengthening agricultural value chain, promoting agricultural export, it will have a greater multiplier effect, not only reducing poverty but also generating employment and promoting inclusive economic growth.
Urukiko rube rugendere koreka bebembezaba ebyarjuro mu kucondoza okwakozwe abacondoza kurwo mu office ya president hankora yo kuhinjira entasia kurwe 2010 kusenku 2023.
So muri ebyo tusangire ngo esente zikwika trillion 8 zikakoresebwa kwenda along the value chain of commercialization kureba ngo zatungura ebyo bihingisha nangasi kurango zatungura ebyo bihingwa kurango byayikombutare cyonka katugire kusanga twasanga ngo arumu na bice ebiretire ebigendero bya government kutekerezwa.
The area under irrigation increased from 14 hectares in 2010-2011 to 15 hectares, representing a 1% of the country's cultivatable land.
Barukugambira mu rukiko rwabebembeza borekere myanya erimwe bituri eyibagizire ngo ne baremeso gukora imirimo yabo na munonga okuyamba abahinji okuhinjira entasia.
So what I'm stating here, let us have a soil profile map for every district, because some people are doing it at individual level. Our farmers, some don't care. So let us have a soil profile, soil fertility map for all the districts.
They see that these the produce can be stored and marketed, and income can come at any time when wants, because you can keep it anytime in your house and can't be spoiled.
If these people have the idea of the sub-counties they were implementing this or putting this infrastructure. So you see, Kayuki is a long time ago, but until recently, the Rupaya thing is very new. I don't think it's in a year old.
Urukiko rwetabiremo abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe. Gasha kwa Dan basibye na Abdukarim Sengenda.